There are two types of people in this world. People who think that they are attractive, and people who wish they were more attractive. In this video, I'm gonna help out the second group by giving you 5 tips on how to be more attractive. No one. Talk about both your passions and your recent life experiences. When you talk about what you love or what's going on in your life, it gives the other person insight into who you are and what you value. It also helps you come across as more interesting and attractive because people love talking about themselves. So when you ask questions and show interest in someone else's passions and experiences, they will naturally gravitate towards you because you make them feel important. No. 2. This one might seem obvious, but it's important to take care of your hygiene. Shower regularly, use deodorant, wear clean clothes, and brush your teeth. If you smell bad, people will avoid you. And if you look unkempt, people will assume that you're lazy and unmotivated. 3. Ask for advice. Asking for advice makes you appear vulnerable, which in turn makes the other person feel more attracted to you because they feel like they have the upper hand. Also, people like to feel needed. So by asking for help, you're allowing the other person to feel like they're needed by you. Now, there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. Let me explain. Let's say you're trying to pick up a girl. You wouldn't walk up to her and say, "Hey, beautiful, can you help me with my life?" That's weird and creepy. Instead, you would be subtle about it. Let's say you're talking to a girl and she tells you that she likes horror movies. You could respond by saying, "I actually have a fear of horror movies. Do you have any recommendations on how I can get over my fear?" She'll feel needed, and at the same time, it shows that you're vulnerable and that you trust her opinion enough to help you overcome your fear. Number 4, flirt with nonverbal communication. You can flirt with someone without even saying a word. Nonverbal communication is a powerful tool when you're trying to attract someone. Here's how you use it to your advantage. Eye contact. Make eye contact with the person you're interested in. This is a universal sign of attraction. If you want to take it a step further, try the gaze. Gaze, which is when you look into someone's eyes while you're talking to them. This creates a sense of intimacy and connection. Touch. Subtly touch the person you're talking to. This could be a light, lingering touch on the arm, or a playful nudge on the shoulder. Just be sure to read the room and make sure they're comfortable with it before you start touching them. Posture. Open up your body language. This shows that you're available and approachable. You can do this by uncrossing your arms and legs, and also by leaning in towards the person you're talking to. Smile. Smiling is an instant mood booster. It also makes you more attractive because it shows that you're happy and confident. And finally, number 5, dress well. The way you dress says a lot about you. It's a reflection of your personal style, but it also says something about your confidence level. When you dress well, you look and feel more confident, which in turn makes you more attractive. You don't have to break the bank to look good. A simple, clean, put-together outfit can make you look and feel like $1,000,000. Now that you know how to be more attractive, it's time to put these tips to use. Go out into the world and be your most attractive self. And remember, confidence is key. Believe in yourself and your own awesomeness, and the rest will fall into place. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.